You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful Indian name, Sanskrit name meaning lotus flower or lotus. If you are American, the flower of lotus, also meaning peaceful. So in any case, it's beautiful. In Indian or in India, it's normally pronounced as Anjana, 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 with a stress on the first syllable. Therefore, in English, it's commonly pronounced as Anjana, Anjana. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Anjana? Let us know in the comments. Anjana, Anjana. Let us know, and where you're from as well. Let us know in the comments. See you soon. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.